She's a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So you guys know I am a stan of HerGivenHair. Like I always tell you guys that. So when they come through, I'm like, with it, girl. Okay, so the unit that I got is, it says order number is YTB-DTB8. The product type is lace closure wig. It's a 4x4. The texture is Coily 3C24A. The hair color is the color that's on the picture, and the cap size is a medium. I'm gonna go ahead and go on the site and see if I can get a few more details. Okay, so on the email that they sent me, it says the wig is herring your curls. The texture is coily, as I stated, which is 3C24A. The length is 18 inches. The hair density is 130% child. What? Do you guys see this? Do you see this? They said this is 130%. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see? Like, girl, am I tripping? The wig type is a lace closure, which is a 4x4, and this is a closure, honey. I know she's giving frontal, but she's definitely a closure. Okay, girl. She's a closure. She's just giving frontal. Okay, it says pre-bleached knots, yes. Swiss transparent lace, obviously. 100% virgin human hair, yes. And it does have an adjustable elastic band. And let me go ahead and click on this link. Okay, so on their site, they do have on here that if you do want a full lace wig or a lace frontal with this particular unit, you're going to have to add an additional 30 to 35 days because these units are customized. So just kind of keep that in mind. And everything else is basically like the same old that I have already said about this wig. So yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, like I did co-wash this wig and I did get some shedding and a little bit of tangling with it while I was co-washing, which I basically expected with these type of units because it is really like, you know, it's like it's like natural hair, girl. Okay, so when I brush my own hair, I get tangles. When I brush my own hair, I do get some shedding. It was minimum. It was nothing to write home about, but I did expect it. But I do like to throw it out there so you guys will know. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. As far as products and stuff that I applied to it, I did use my Aussie hair milk to detangle, and I did also use my Aussie mousse, and that was it, girl. Like, that was it. And it's just so bouncy. It is so, it's crazy. I've been doing this since I put it on my head, y'all. I'm very extra today. But yeah, it's just always given. Whenever I wear units from this company, people always think it's my hair. Like, they always like, well, girl, what products do you use on your hair? It's never what wig are you wearing. So that is always like the theme, or what I always say when it comes to HerGivenHair units, is that, you know, you expect for people to say, I like your hair, instead of I like your wig. Just expect that, girl. And yeah, so now I can go ahead and get into my pros and cons with this unit. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you know your girl like to end on a high note. And honestly, y'all, I really struggle with the cons with this particular unit, because like I said, this particular company is just like one of my faves. And it's always a struggle to kind of just come up with a con. And so this con is really not a con for me, but I think it could be a con for some people. This particular unit is a closure wig, okay? So meaning it only goes from here to here. Some people, that is an issue. For me, I love a closure, but I want to throw that con out because I couldn't think of any other con. And I know that a lot of people don't like closures. They do prefer frontals. I'm a closure type of chick, but yeah, if there's going to be a con, that's the only one I could think of. I had to give you sun. I had to give you sunset, okay? So that's what I gave you. Okay, so the pros with this wig is, first of all, it's beginner friendly. It's very natural looking. It is a natural type of hair. It is also the color. The color is everything, y'all. Okay, this is the perfect summer hair. Do you see it? Like, I love how it just goes from this like bronze look into the blonde at the ends. And I feel like that also makes it more beginner friendly for people that are afraid of color. Like, the really light color is at the ends. And I just love that for me. And it also gives it more of a natural look, because right up in here is more of a natural color. So we got like it kind of looks like you dyed your hair and the color is coming back. You know what I mean? It kind of gives that effect. Like this is like new growth or something. I don't know, y'all, but that's the vibe that she's giving me. Those are my pros, okay? Those are my pros with this wig. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would. Now, I also want to say that this hair from this company is typically more so on the expensive side. It's like luxury hair. It's just kind of what I call it. And you know, if it's not in your budget, then no, I wouldn't. But if it is, I would definitely recommend you guys getting at least one unit from this company. I do not think you will be disappointed, especially if you like natural hair, okay? And the people coming up to you is gonna make it all worth it, because I swear, whenever I wear hair from this company is when I get the most compliments on my hair, okay? And literally, I think it's just because people think it's my hair. So I'm getting compliments on my hair, you know what I mean? So I get the most compliments when I wear these units from this company, and I think you will as well. It's just that, child, this is 130% density, okay? This is 130% density, girl. Like, it's just a lot of hair, and I just feel like it's worth it. But you know, that is purely my opinion. If you own a wig from HerGivenHair, you can comment down below. I know Cynthia is always saying like how much she loves this company as well. But like, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this company. So yes, I would recommend this unit. All right, honey, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I am feeling this unit, and I truly do appreciate you, HerGivenHair, for sending me yet another gorgeous unit. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions I feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
I'm telling you that there ain't no kiss and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging.